You just transitioned from 7 days whitening product to science-based product, and it looks like your skin is hell. Your skin is not cooperating. People are asking you what happened to you. Friends and family are literally scared of you. If you are that person, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Abigail Fafi, a certified cosmetic formulator and lead product developer at FabsTouch, and welcome to FabsTouch Unscripted. Science-based skincare products might not give you fast results like the quick action product would, but the result of science-based products are sustainable, reliable, and just the best result you would ever ask for. Now, when you're switching or transitioning from 7 days quick action product to science-based product, what happens to the skin? The skin has adapted to a type of skincare product over the years. Now you're giving it another kind of food to eat. Automatically it reacts. You go dark. Some people have rashes, breakouts here and there. But are these skin concerns permanent? No. They are just temporal skin concern. The skin is just trying to find its balance. Skin repair could take about 2 to 3 months. It depends on how far deep you've been in the OSHA proper word. So when you go back to what you were using before, you are just prolonging the day you're going to shed the tears, because you will still have to come back to science-based to do the skin repair. When you use fast action products for a long period of time, there are some skin conditions you start having. You can have the likes of pigmentary demarcation lines, sun-induced hyperpigmentation, acne, dermatosis, papulosa, nigra, erythema, rosacea, and a whole lot of skin issues. And all these skin issues will not come at once. They will show up one after the other. And I know you will go back to your vendor and say, oh, see my face, so it's red. What can I use? They will give you another OSHA proper to join what OSHA proper costs. And I have also come to realization that ignorance is one of the reasons why majority of ethnic skin use fast action product. What if I told you there's nothing fast action products can give you that science-based products cannot give you? The only thing is they are not fast action. Most of the people who has transitioned into science-based, they were once like you watching this video that just want to transition into science-based. And trust me, it is one good decision that would forever change the game plan of your skin. You will forever be happy you made that decision. The getting dark and the skin concerns that come forth when you change is just for a short period of time. Make sure the first product you're friends with for the first 2 months you're transitioning is skin repair products, barrier repair, soothing, hydrating, moisturizing, skin calming, barrier building ingredients and skincare products. Those are what you're best friends with, because you can only lay active on a foundation that is solid. Your foundation is your skin barrier. You have to take whatever comes with it. If whatever comes with it means you have to not go anywhere for the next 2 months that you are going to repair your skin, then so be it. So people don't start asking you what happened to you. Okay, but by the time you are done repairing and your skin start picking up back, oh my God, the hydration, the feeling is not something one can explain. It's something you can only experience for yourself. So if you've been willing or meaning to switch from quick action product to science-based product, this is me telling you that contact vendors that can hold your hand along heavy steps, because I can tell you that the journey is not easy. It is depressing for some. So just make sure you're with the vendor or company that can hold your hands every step of the way. Vendors that won't get tired of your complaint, because trust me, you are going to complain. So whatever skin concern you have right now using quick action product, they can totally be fixed just by you switching to science-based products. So I'll see you guys on another talk of FabsTouch Unscripted. Bye for now.